More than we may think, our civilization relies on drones every day. They ensure our transportation infrastructure is safe and operational. They maintain the way that we produce and transmit energy. And they provide first responders with critical information that they need to save lives. But now, the skies are changing. Regulations are opening up to make autonomous and functional drone flights much easier to scale. The foreign-made systems that we depended on are now being phased out. More than ever, the nation is calling for US-made solutions. Hi, I'm Kurt, and this is exactly what we build here at HEX. Having supported over 500,000 autonomous drone missions, we build the infrastructure that keeps drones in the air for longer. Our American-made battery-swapping drone stations recharge drones 10 times faster than anyone else. And because we know the power of uptime in the open sky, our docks ship with an open API that empowers the specialists who truly make the world work. With backing from the world's boldest funds and a track record of deliveries to over 25 countries, HEX is here to help you take control of your sky with drone agents for the physical world. Come visit us at hex.us to start flying today.